a rolling masterpiece of American luxury and flamboyance. The 1960 Cadillac Eldorado remains an undeniable symbol of prestige, power, and artistic automotive expression. With its soaring tailfins, gleaming chrome accents, and an unmatched road presence, this icon of mid-century opulence continues to captivate enthusiasts and collectors alike. Join our passionate community as we delve into the breathtaking details of this classic, from its rich history of modifications and interior craftsmanship to its present-day value and desirability. The 1960 Eldorado marked the final chapter of Cadillac's most extravagant design era, slightly toning down the extreme fins of its 1959 predecessor while maintaining its commanding elegance. Powered by a formidable 390 cubic inch V8 engine, producing 345 horsepower, this luxury cruiser delivered smooth yet powerful performance, embodying Cadillac's commitment to effortless driving. Modifications over the years have seen enthusiasts swap in modern fuel-injected engines, air-ride suspension systems, and custom paint jobs, transforming these classics into restomods that blend vintage appeal with contemporary performance. Many have undergone frame-off restorations, bringing them back to their original showroom glory, while others have been customized into low-riders or high-performance street machines, reflecting the versatility of this timeless classic. Inside, the Eldorado exuded unmatched luxury, setting new standards for comfort and craftsmanship. Factory options included power everything, seats, windows, locks, and even an automatic trunk release, features that were revolutionary at the time. The plush leather seating, dazzling chrome trim, and sophisticated dashboard design created an atmosphere of pure indulgence. Many restorations and modifications have further enhanced this lavish interior, incorporating modern sound systems, digital instrument clusters, and climate control for added comfort without compromising the car's vintage charm. As the demand for classic Cadillacs continues to rise, the market value of the 1960 Eldorado reflects its desirability. Prices range from $50,000 for project cars to well over $200,000 for fully restored concours quality examples. Convertible variants and rare trim levels command even higher prices at auctions, especially those with original components and factory-correct restorations. Customized and modified Eldorados with modern powertrains, air suspension, and bespoke interiors can also fetch premium prices, attracting buyers who seek both style and performance, more than just a car. The 1960 Cadillac Eldorado represents an era of unrestrained automotive artistry, when luxury meant more than just comfort. It was a statement of success and individuality. It remains a beacon of elegance, drawing admiration wherever it goes. Be part of this journey through time and celebrate the legacy of Cadillac's golden age.